Hello friends, this is Rajesh Agrawal, co-founder Aasaan ERP. Today we are going to talk about Aasaan ERP, Waste Management and Recycling sector domain. So we have AWM. I'll be talking about AWM today. It stands for Aasaan Waste Management. This is a vertically focused ERP into waste management and recycling sector. Today we are covering around 15 to 16 countries where we are providing our services. Now I want to describe why you should go for AWM ERP rather than going for something very general, because we have created it particularly covering the pain points and use cases of this industry. So under AWM we are covering most of the sectors into the waste management and recycling sector. It could be electronic waste, it could be solid waste, municipal waste, tire waste, oil waste, hazardous waste, medical waste, metal recycling, plastic waste, and so many other things. We are covering so many compliances under it. You can have ESG compliances, you can have your pollution board compliances, you can have your ITED compliances. So there are compliances related to different domains that we are covering over here. So my purpose today is just to give you a brief about what AWM ERP is all about. Let's talk about AWM ERP. Okay. The major thing is that we are covering so many compliances. For example, you can say ITED, which is for electronic waste. Then we have ESG. We have environmental impact report. There are many other compliances related to different industry that we are covering over here, and not only a particular country. We are already doing it in 15 countries, as I told you, so we are covering in different countries. Now the other domains that I was talking about that we are covering is, for example, electronic waste. We have end-to-end ERPs. So when I'm saying ERP, I'm just talking about the particular operations that is happening into this industry, but other than this, what else is required, everything is there. So this is e-waste. Other than this, what we are covering is municipal waste. Let me talk about this. Municipal waste. Then commercial waste. Then, for example, oil waste, tires, plastics, and here, for example, battery. So majorly all the waste management and recycling things, I mean the whatever comes under it, we are covering like metal, scrap. Now as I told you, right, this one we are talking about not only from the waste operations. So we are covering this operation, the compliances, the certificates, everything is covered, but this is a complete ERP as well. So two things you can do. One thing is that if you are already using an ERP, you can always use our waste management operation module and integrate with your existing thing. But if you are not using, you are still on a spreadsheet or using many softwares around it for different departments, then I would suggest that you come to AWM ERP, because other than this, what we are doing is we have all other modules in place. For example, if I talk about, we have complete HR management, okay, where you can have the payrolls, the recruitments, right from the complete cycle of an employee. Then we have the asset management. So this is a complete thing in itself, where you can manage your bins, your compactors, your machineries, your buildings, whatever you have, the depreciations and everything. Then we have complete finance and accounting module. Finance and accounting module, which helps you to take care of your receivables, payables and other things around it. Complete accounting, the complete compliances are there, the taxation system, everything is managed. So if you look at here, then we have this logistics part. Here we manage in case you are exporting the your waste, or maybe you are into the business where you have to export or import, then this logistic module could be really handy for you. And other than this, there are many other things that I'll talk about. So this is the general thing that I'm talking about AWM ERP. Now, the major thing which is into the trend nowadays we have digital CEO. This is something very unique. This is an AI meta agent. So basically, in our AWM ERP, we have around 28 AI agents covering 28 agents which are covering different modules. For example, sales, purchase, inventory, HR, and other things over here. And we have digital CEO, which is a meta agent on top of it, which you can take use of. Now these agents can do most of the things for you. However, you can simply concentrate on your own business. So I would invite, like if you are using any generic ERP or you are using maybe the different softwares for different systems, then you can always integrate our waste operations module over here. And or if you want, you can completely use our ERP end to end. So there are big major companies which are already using our system. For example, in Middle East, East Africa, Europe, Indian continent, there are many companies, big companies which are already on AWM. They have multifold growth in last 4 to 5 years till the time they have started using it. So if you have any questions around it, AWM ERP, I welcome you for a demonstration of the system. Thank you.